Hello, in this Java programming video we are going to take a look at interfaces. So interfaces are very similar to a class that you inherit from, or more specifically an abstract class, which is what we did in the previous video. So if you haven't checked that out, feel free to go and have a look at that and then pop back here. Okay, so an interface, the main differences are a regular class or an abstract class. The class that's inheriting from it can only inherit from one class. An interface, however, a class can inherit from multiple interfaces, and a interface can also inherit from an interface as well. But a class can inherit from a class that can inherit from a class, but you can't have one class that inherits from multiple classes. So you can inherit from multiple interfaces though. That's one difference. The other difference is you don't have any variables in there, so if you remove these, we'll get an error in these as well. The other one, you don't implement the actual method themselves in the class. They're always implemented in the interface. So it's like a abstract class with no variables where everything is just abstract. So instead of abstract and class here, put interface, get rid of abstract. This should give us several errors. So in enemy, what's this saying? So this is saying we need to remove that. Okay, so oh yeah, that's the other thing. Instead of extend, you use the keyword implements, and we need to do that here as well. So implements, and the other thing is, because you can't have a variable in it, you have to create the variable here. So we'll create the variable here. So int health equals say 100 here, and we'll do int health equals 100 here. Okay, we need a lives as well, so int lives equals 10 by default. And in Sonar System Java. So, oh yeah, we don't have, so if we go back here, we need to make these public. Otherwise, you could use polymorphism and use getters and setters, which I've already showed you how to do. And we can actually do that, because if we have them as private, then if we go to Sonar Systems Java, they say add a getter and setter. If we add these methods, so it's changed all the instances to getter and setters, and in enemy it's added a getter and setter method as well. I don't have the Egyptian brace style, so I will fix that, and we'll do the same for this as well. So that's so you can change the visibility or just automatically add a getter and setter. That's the beauty of using an IDE as powerful as Eclipse. It can be a bit slow sometimes on older computers compared to some other IDEs, but it is very, very powerful. So if we run it, and yeah, it's working. So that's it for interfaces. But yeah, one other thing, you might notice that it's got a little eye here, just indicates an interface. But the other thing I want to show you is if you had another interface, the way you would, sort of implement the other one, you just put comma in the name of the interface. That's what you do. Because I don't have one, can't do it. But as an extra task, feel free to create an interface in a whole nother file and inherit or implement it in just one of these classes. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next awesome video.